One of my favourite dishes that Mum used to make was a green olive gnocchi.
For her, it's one of those things that go back to the memories of childhood.
Nothing tasted better in the world than that. I feel like I've waited over 20 years for this day, and it's here, being able to replicate the taste, the memories, the history.
These days, I have the advantage of having a Miele steam oven. Put the water in, put them on, dial up 45 minutes and you have the most perfect potato ready to puree. You've got every bit of flavour. Flavour's always the most important.
Well, I remember the flavour, so...
You do? Well, I hope I get it. Is it? Is it? Tell me.
Actually...
It really is.
It's exactly as I remember it. And it is something that I will pass on to my kids, particularly my eldest daughter.
I love to think that there are some recipes, and this green olive gnocchi is one of them, that will go down to each generation of the family, and they'll remember their nonna.